equipment all cocked and ready to go.
I be that young rapping dude, might just trap a dude. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap it through. I roll out in the morning light with that Harley bike, all black. I'm the party type, and it's on tonight. I just stepped in no weapons, but my outfit might take the soul. See my presence impressive, got strippers slipping off the poles. I just whip, then I swerve and wish you would. I'm Timmy Turner, turn her to a carnivore. Now she treat me like.
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the aghb channel. Joey Mac and I kind of had the same idea about doing Mario Kart with balloons, so we decided to combine our ideas together. Although he's doing a giveaway today and I'm just here to start shooting people. We've set up an obstacle course here, or obstacle, so you just go around, last person with a balloon, whoever's name is in those actually wins the drawing for the Pitzilla that he's giving away. This one right here is actually tied to my goggles, and these ones are tied back here. Oh, and I'm on Spanky's bike, and Spanky's on my bike. Gotta make sure mine's loaded. Good to go. Alright, so we're gonna go around the course real quick. This is the reload zone. Alright, so everyone has to start in their own corner, and each round goes for 1 minute. Starting by the reload zone. Oh my god, I'm not even wearing any gear except for my boots, obviously, and my helmet and my gloves. I'm like wearing normal clothes and like a tank top. Like, this is gonna hurt. So when the car honks its horn, that's when we go. That's the start of the round.
Oh my God! Oh, he's okay! There it is! Oh, there it is! Alright, Dinkle.
Got the winner.
Here it is! The winner of Pinzilla!
Hold your weapon first. Don't forget that.
Vroomvroomdana! No way!
No. Adam Chapman from Wildemar, California.
Oh my God! Oh God, I'm getting roasted! Well, today was a bit of a short video, but that was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like or comment down below and let me know what you liked and let me know what you didn't like. If you're new here, don't be shy, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!
I be that young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap it cool. I rolled out in the